Guys, what if I told you that you could earn money just by using some applications? Or you can earn money for your other expenses? Yes, you heard it right. There are so many applications out there that will pay you according to your work. And in this video, I am going to share with you some useful applications that will help you to earn money very easily. And additionally, you don't need any kind of laptop. You can use the applications and get your work done by your phone. And yes, there is no investment in these applications. This is totally free of cost. So without any delay, let's start the video. Number 1. Gig India. The students can work from home with the help of Gig India, depending on your preferences or ability to select a certain role such as writing, designing, technology or data entry. You may be able to find up to 10,000 jobs. Simply add your credentials and you will then be given a job based on your preferences. And after finishing your duties, you will receive your earnings in your bank account. Now coming to number 2. Etsy. I refer to Etsy as Canva's business partner. Yes, because you can sell the designs and templates on Etsy you create on Canva, and you will get a good amount of money by getting paid by the clients. You only need to create templates and upload them on Etsy, and your single template can be purchased by a large number of customers. So the next way to earn as your side income is LemonOp. LemonOp. For students looking for part-time work, LemonOp is the perfect application. We usually need one part-time job to cover our expenses. Thus, LemonOp has you covered with its variety of part-time jobs, internships and gigs. You can look for jobs in fields like fashion, photography, writing, web development, hosting, etc. that interest you. Additionally, you will be paid for the work you complete. So guys, I hope you got your source of income to earn money. So go and grab this opportunity. I hope you liked the video, and if you do so, then do hit the like button. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.